Why the HP Envy Inspire 7955E is the ultimate home printer upgrade. Feeling frustrated by slow printing, messy setups, or limited home office capabilities? Drop a comment if this hits home. Juggling documents, photos, and creative projects shouldn't feel like a chore. Imagine a printer that makes every task effortless, from mobile printing to duplex scans, while giving your home workspace a sleek, futuristic touch. Ready to see how smooth printing can really be? Endless trips to replace cartridges, fiddling with settings, and inconsistent print quality can drain your energy. Picture a device that anticipates your needs, prints photos as vibrant as your screen, and handles scanning and copying without a hitch. With smart AI features and a 3-month instant ink trial, the HP Envy Inspire 7955E brings control, speed, and convenience straight to your desk. The HP Envy Inspire 7955E is a wireless, all-in-one inkjet printer designed to handle everything from homework to high-quality photos with ease. Key features include print, scan, and copy functionality, automatic duplex printing, and a 2.7-inch touchscreen for intuitive operation. It supports mobile printing via the HP Smart App, Apple AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, and more. The AI-enabled system enhances photos automatically, crops documents, and predicts maintenance needs, reducing downtime. With 10 pages per minute color and 15 pages per minute black print speeds, large projects are handled efficiently. A dedicated photo tray and panoramic printing support creative projects, while the compact, minimalist design saves space in any home office. The included 3-month instant ink trial ensures ink is delivered before you run out, making printing stress-free. Users report vibrant, true-to-phone photo prints and fast, reliable document handling. A small tip: activate HP Plus for added security, mobile optimization, and automatic firmware updates. This printer blends smart technology, user convenience, and home-friendly aesthetics for a complete, modern printing solution. Efficiency, versatility, and quality define the HP Envy Inspire 7955E experience. Experts highlight its seamless AI integration. Artings.com praises the automated setup and photo enhancements, while Consumer Reports notes reliable text quality for home and office use. Influencers rave about mobile printing convenience and the instant ink subscription that eliminates ink anxiety. Users confirm the benefits: effortless setup, compact design, quiet operation, and consistent performance for documents and vibrant photo prints. Families and remote workers appreciate the automatic document feeder for batch scanning, duplex printing for reduced paper usage, and the dedicated photo tray for creative projects. Security-conscious users benefit from HP Wolf Security, providing firmware protection and intrusion detection. Which feature would make your home printing stress-free? AI-enhanced photos, mobile printing, or the instant ink subscription? Comment below. With wireless, wired, and app-based connectivity, your printing workflow becomes effortless. The 3-month instant ink trial, combined with predictive maintenance, ensures you never run out of ink unexpectedly. From homework to personal projects, the HP Envy Inspire 7955E simplifies every task, delivering vibrant color, crisp documents, and a quiet, stylish presence in your home workspace. Join thousands of satisfied users who've upgraded to the HP Envy Inspire 7955E and transformed their home printing. Enjoy instant setup, AI-enhanced photo prints, seamless mobile printing, and the convenience of a 3-month instant ink trial. Click now and unlock smart printing features that simplify every project, from creative photos to essential documents. Imagine having a home printer that anticipates your needs and delivers consistent, professional results. Don't just watch. Upgrade your printing experience today and make every page count.